Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add app icon to your home screen on Android phone. So if you want to find an app but then you cannot find it on your home screen in here, when you try to explore you cannot find a certain app that you are looking for, it's probably you haven't add the app icon to the home screen. So what you need to do in here is just add it to your home screen by doing this. First, you can just swipe up, or you can also just long press on the home screen, and then you can go to the home settings. But here I'm going to just swipe up in here and I will see the list of apps on my phone. So probably the apps is in the list of app but not on the home screen, for example in here. So let's just scroll up here. Let's say I want to add this keep notes and I want to find the app, but I cannot find it on the home screen. So what you need to do is just long press on the app that you want to add the app icon to the home screen, just like this, and then just drag it and you can place it to anywhere you like, and just like that the app icon will be added to the home screen. Okay, so also because you probably remove the app icon, accidentally remove the app icon to from the home screen. So when you do this, when you long press on the app and then you tap on remove, it will be gone on the home screen, but you always can find the apps in the list of apps in here. So to add it again to the home screen, just repeat the same step that I'll show you. So just long press on the app, drag it up like this, and if you want to find another app, you can also do so by exploring the app that you want to find. For example, I want to add this YouTube Studio app. You can just again long press on it, drag it up, and choose the place that you want in the home screen. So just like this. And that's very easy. That's how you can add an app icon to your Android home screen. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So if you got any question regarding to this issue or another, you can just leave a comment down below, and also don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, click on the thanks button below, and also subscribe to our channel to keep supporting us. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.